Hi, I'm Kelly, and I'm a senior sales director, and I give OneStream 5 stars. For more reviews, click below. Before OneStream, I would have to record live and stream live into my Facebook groups. And so you never had an opportunity to really review things or check things out. It really was just live on Facebook. So if you messed up, it was there. And with OneStream, I love that I can pre record, make sure everything's good to go, and then stream it while it's still looking like it's live in my Facebook groups. I love the fact that for OneStream, I can pre record all of my content and I can schedule when it's going to go live in my Facebook groups. And it still looks like I'm there live, even though I may be streaming at 7 or 8 o'clock at night when I'm with my family. So I really appreciate that I can still look live in my Facebook groups, but maybe not be there live in video. Getting started with OneStream was actually really easy when you're using the Chrome on your computer. It makes it a lot easier. When you're using Safari, not so much. If you're looking for something that's super easy to use and still allows you to live your life on your terms while looking live in your Facebook groups, this is definitely the place to be. Not only on Facebook, but on Instagram and all the other places that you can use your social media. You can look like you're going live even if you're somewhere else with your family or doing something else. The video still looks live.